Hi guys, so let's make breakfast for two this morning because cooking is not supposed to be complicated. So I'm making a quick breakfast for two. One, I'm making a Nigerian pancake, and I'm also making some vegetable and green tea for myself. So I crack in here 3 eggs. I add in some milk into this bowl. Now I added a little bit of my cinnamon. I begin to stir it very well. So I cut my pepper, onions. Nigerian pancake, you need to put a little bit of this. So I added some red pepper, some onions, and guys, trust me, this very little pepper is so spicy. Now I chop my pepper and I begin to mix all my liquid together. I added some brown sugar. I added some baking powder. I'm just putting everything, guys. There's no measurement, just do you, okay? It's not that deep. So I added some cinnamon. I added my flour. I'm using brown flour to do this here because we also have to eat healthy, okay? So I'm adding up the brown flour and it was time for me to mix. Now I noticed I needed to add more milk. I added more milk and mixed. Then I added my pepper, my onions. I mixed and it was ready for fry. So you have to make sure there's no lump on it. You mix it very well and it was ready to fry. So I have to put in my non-stick fry pan. I got my oil and now it was time for me to apply it, but the fire was too high. I decided to reduce the fire, guys. So it was time for me to scoop in the batter, and guys, this is just it. Is that simple. So in the other pot, so I set in another pot for me to boil some vegetable like some broccoli, some green beans, and then I boiled my egg. So that's basically what I'm going to be having this morning as my breakfast. And now I was also busy making my pancake at the same time, guys. This is very easy. You can just get this done all like in 10 minutes. Cooking is not that hard, okay? So this was my first batch of pancake. Very yummy and very neat. You see how it is. I have to reduce my fire because I don't want it to get burnt, guys. So you know, when you're multitasking, you have to be strategic, else you will just get your food burned. So guys, this was the second one. I scooped in the second one, guys, and also the fire was too much. I have to reduce the fire. At the same time, I was checking my broccoli. I noticed it was boiling. I have to reduce the fire, guys. I headed to mixing this cake because I want to do some fried egg alongside with the pancake. So I added a pinch of salt on it. Whisk, and this was the last batch of my pancake, guys. So I have to fry my egg. Yes, so it's going to be pancake and egg and some tea and some carrot tea. So guys, this is my egg was ready. I removed my egg and then I went in to check on my own. So this is my green tea. I'm going to be using this. So I set in one green tea into this cup. So I had my green tea into this cup and I added some lemon. I poured in hot water in it, and that's it for me. And then I add some milk on this carrot tea, and that was it, guys. Come and join us. This is breakfast for me. Some eggs, some tomatoes, some broccoli, and then my green tea. This is for me, and then this is for my man. This is my egg, my pancake, and some tea, and that was it. Join us and let's go have some breakfast. Trust me, this is super filling, and yeah, I see how yummy it is. Let me know which of the breakfast